What's up and good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a mobile job right now. Before we head over to the shop here, Jacob with us. I don't know if you guys can hear me, so I'm gonna walk over here to the trailer. Genesis Detailing, here's my number, Instagram, go follow that right there. But today's Thursday, it's 8:30 in the morning. We do our weekly clientele every Thursday, which consists of that van, that truck back there, and he has two more cars that are not here, so I'm gonna go over to his office after this, which is right down the street, which is nice for him, super convenient. But we normally do about 7 to 8 cars on our Thursdays, and tomorrow we head up to North County to do another like 7 to 8 cars. And with the new shop open, as I mentioned, we do Monday through Wednesday is shop work and Thursday through Saturday is mobile work. Jacob and I was just blowing off all the water before we start drying it up. But what we're doing in this van is just a nice little maintenance detail. We do our wash, 2-bucket wash, then we air dry it, then we get our spray wax and do a final wipe down. And clearly the weather in San Diego is not so bright right now. It's supposed to be raining at like 1 o'clock. And today was supposed to be like a very, very busy day, but some people do care and they want to reschedule, so we're pushing them over to next Thursday, which is fine because we still have these cars to do. Then we're gonna go over to the shop where we have a Ford Raptor that you guys saw in my previous video that I need to finish up and do the final ceramic coating on it.
I'm still here, guys.
Huh?
I said I'm still here, guys. Don't worry.
What do you?
I just haven't been in videos a long time. They're probably asking all about me.
They always ask about Sky.
Not really. I'm not.
Not Jacob. Jacob's not. People. Some people don't like you.
A lot of people don't.
What are we sponsored by?
Ryan, keep up the energy. She said keep that same energy.
Keep the same energy.
Keep that same.
Is that the new Rain slogan? Is that what we should do? Rain, sponsor us now, ASAP. New slogan, keep the same energy.
Keep
Genesis
that
Detailing.
same energy.
So once we finish up at the house, we're gonna head over to the shop and get the Ford Raptor done. I'll show you guys more of that. But the last video, I kind of recorded and talked about what we do and what we charge for that. So go to that last video, like and subscribe it. We have a competition always.
Huh? Just kidding.
What? That sucks.
That's the best I could do. What you gave with what you gave me.
We always argue who can do this better. Jacob sucks. He sucks at everything, huh? What are you good for? Grab a spray wax.
Take me home.
Go home. Walk home. Jacob is also using a towel by the Rag Company. Use discount code Genesis10 to get 15% off your order. We're also sponsored by them, technically. Not really, because I don't get anything out of it. You guys do. So go to the website, purchase some towels. Very nice towels. That's all I use. And no, I don't get them for free. I don't get anything from them. They give you guys a code. Jacob has a code. What's your code? Genesis10.
Genesis 10.
All these logos were done by Viral Vinyl Works, which is a shop that I work with now that we opened up together. They can do all sorts of signage and full body wraps, whatever you want done, full graphics and like printing. They can wrap this entire house if they wanted to. Our shop is not officially open yet, but we're taking in business and appointments, so feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram at Genesis Detailing. If you need any sort of vinyl work done, car wraps, full color change, whatever you need done, whether it's ceramic coating, paint correction, powder coating, you name it, we do it. And if you're looking to buy a house, these are the people to go to. Lyle and Grace.
If you're looking for a good looking man,
call me. So now with these new graphics, we have to be very careful on the edges. I'm just gonna dab them up. Dab. So we don't want to pull up any edges, and we do use spotless water, so like these little water spots. Technically I don't even have to dry these windows, but I still like to, only because it gives it a better final appearance. Hey, Jacob getting all into the wheel wells and stuff. Guys, look at these wheels and tires he put on this. Toyo all-terrains on top of Methods on a Mercedes Sprinter van that's blocked out. This thing's sick. Look at the back seats.
Pull this way. Yeah, there you go. There.
What the fuck? Oh, whoa. Alright, what do we think we buy one of these for Genesis Detailing? Jacob?
I agree.
So this is pretty cool. If you open up the doors, you got 3, 6, 9, no, that's 10 seats. That's a 4-seater back there. They're 11, 12. This thing seats 12 people, including the driver. I think we can take this in like the desert and off-road it. You know, it's got toilet all terrains. Maybe throw some mutters on it. It'll be unstoppable. Is that a 4x? Think it's got 4x? Alright, so we have Jacob over here coating the windows as well. We're doing one layer of Gtechniq Clear Vision all around on the side windows and the roof. Then we're doing 3 layers on the windshield. And check out what's new on this Raptor. That's another thing that we can do in the shop. We have Blake in here, the main installer and designer. He's a man to go to for all your needs. The customer opted to install some graphics on his Raptor, and he sent us a picture of what he wanted, and so Blake designed them and printed them and laminated them in-house. Now we're doing the final install, and I was sure to not coat this area because even Blake's saying like the tape's not sticking to the part that is coated, so the vinyl definitely would not stick as well. But here's how this side looks, give you a little idea. Got our detail spray, give it one little wipe down. Towels from the Rag Company. Be sure to use Genesis 10 for 15% off your order. Gotta make sure. Dude, everyone always asks me like, what towels they use. I'm like, dude, the Rag Company. I said in every single video or post I do. Bada bing, bada boom. Cool little touch to it. Simple all around. The hood looks very aggressive. Like we're saying, we can do basically anything in the shop. Here's a wrap that they did that's in for a little touch up. But this is a full color change wrap, completed in-house by the best. Though, dude, what? What? Good job, Jacob. You freaking suck. Yeah, no, we're putting that in. Don't worry. We're not cutting this out. So the Raptor is basically done here. We're gonna move on to the interior. Well, once we wipe off the window coating, then we're gonna move on to the interior. 4-3! Jesus, man. This is why he's not in the NBA.
First try.
One more try. One more try. I'll give you $100 if you make it. $100 right here, right now. $100. Oh. That was close.
That looked good.
So we're gonna move on to the interior, do a full detail on the inside. And the reason why we're going full blown on this truck is because the owner of this vehicle is leaving San Diego. I'm not sure where he's going, but we're doing a full correction, coating, the whole 9 yards to get this vehicle prepped and ready to go to wherever he is going. Alrighty, go for it. One more. Dude, you can't even make it while standing. You've missed 3 times, now you think you're gonna be on the computer and doing it? Assist! Let me show you how it's done. Ready? Hold on, one time. One time for the camera.
First person camera?
First person camera. Right here. Look at that! For 3!
There it is.
You suck. Alright, so once the glass coating has cured, you grab the second product to remove all the residue, and it'll leave a nice, perfect finish. Streak free, of course. Alright, so that about wraps up for our regular Thursday. It is raining, which is weird in San Diego. But time to go home, get some rest for tomorrow. Got another long day tomorrow. But I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Stick around for more detailing clips. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.